Hello, it's Mimi again from Mimi's Worms. Today is June 26th, I believe it is, 2026. And we're just harvesting some of our worms to reset our beds. I got Natalie over here helping me. And we got the worms falling on this side, overs on that side. And then under the trommel, you'll see we've got small baby worms. Now these will go back in a bin as well and be grown out more. That's what both of these wheelbarrows catch. And we'll just grow them on up to become bigger worms. And then we have our castings falling down. I wished I had another conveyor right here to catch these castings because we have to dump them into this one. But yep, just doing a little bit of harvesting today and getting our castings out, resetting the bins so they don't get too deep. And then we'll just finish growing these beautiful worms back out. These are red wigglers. And man, they looked really good. Okay, until next time, y'all have a wonderful day.